Alejandro here, and I'm gonna be reacting to April's The Bluebird music video, which was released today. And if you guys don't know, I'm a huge Pineapple. I've been following April ever since their debut, and I've just fallen so incredibly in love with them. They hold a very special and dear place in my heart. I'm really excited to see what April has in store for us with this comeback, because I feel like they've been coming back really consistently lately, and they've been killing each and every single comeback. Like, it's been unbelievable. But my favorite comeback will always be Moi. Moi is the superior comeback. I don't care what anybody says. You can fight me on that. And yeah, I think that I'm just gonna jump right into this. Oh, another thing. I finally learned the members. I've been saying that I've been wanting to learn the members ever since their debut, and it's taken me like, what, 7 comebacks to finally learn them? And I'm here, and I'm prepared, so I'm just gonna jump right into this. Here we go. Okay, DSP hitting you up with that new jingle. Wow. They gave you 2 whole seconds to prepare yourself. Oh God. Noun's vocals are honestly so soft and honey sweet. Chaekhyun is so beautiful. Is that our girl Rachel having lines? Yes. That's my bias right there. Killer Jinsol. Yes. Oh, Yena is so adorable. Okay, Chaewon. Wow, her vocals are so nice. Killer Jinsol. Honestly, this song, even though it's nice and subtle, it's so intense, and it really goes in, and it's so signature of like April's sound. I'm loving it. Ooh, Little Miss Rachel. Giving us dancer realness with the arms and the leg. Okay. Wow. Wow. Yes, Noun, kill it. Oh my God. Oh, okay, we slowed it down for the bridge. We're taking it there. They're all so visually perfect. Oh, I love that part. And then, oh my God. Oh, that high note was everything. But I like that little break right before the chorus hits. Oh, so good. Oh my God. I'm loving these outfits right here. Oh, this music video was so well done. Yes. Oh my God. Another thing I would like to add is that people sleep on April's dancing. April is such a strong dance group, and I feel like people don't appreciate that enough. They killed this comeback. Honestly, out of all the recent comebacks they've been coming out with, this has been my favorite. I feel like this is definitely my second favorite title track that they've come out with. So incredibly good. Oh, oh, that was so good. I enjoyed it so much. And they were all beautiful. The set was beautiful. Like, everything about this music video and the song was just perfection. I really enjoyed it. And yeah, I'm just so happy that everybody got their lines. Everybody be out here with their lines. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, all that good stuff. Actually, did Yena get lines? I feel like I didn't hear enough of Yena. I'll look into the line distribution. But anyways, see you guys in the next one.